Hello, everyone. Today, I want to show you how our business name generator Flow works. You can find this template in the Flow library and select the Business Name Generator option. This flow helps you instantly generate a list of unique and fitting business names based on your input. Simply provide some details about your business, like the industry, target audience, and any keywords or themes you want, and get a selection of names tailored to your brand. You can also keep the conversation going, refining the options until you find the perfect fit. Ideal for entrepreneurs, startups, or anyone launching a new brand. For more details on how to build this flow, check out the video linked in the description. Thanks for watching.